The Eurofighter Typhoon is a symbol of air power shaped by deep collaboration. Born from shared work across several nations, it stands as a product of modern design, skill, and aerial mastery. Its sleek body, agile form, and multi-role purpose make it a true force above the clouds. The Typhoon's story begins not with one country, but with a group. Each brought their own craft, methods, and ideas. From this joined purpose came a vision, to craft a fighter that could rule the skies, adapt to tasks, and perform with unmatched agility. Its body is shaped for both speed and control. The sharp nose, swept wings, and forward flaps provide an edge during fast turns and sharp climbs. Every curve on its frame helps it cut through air, with balance and power. The Typhoon carries twin engines, each capable of rapid thrust. These engines give it fast speed and sharp lift, allowing it to move with force yet keep smooth control. Thrust from below meets air over the wings to raise the fighter skyward fast, yet steady. Its flight deck is modern, with digital screens and tools that help the pilot stay aware and make quick choices. The pilot holds full command of the craft, even under pressure, with help from advanced tech that guides, alerts, and aids. The Typhoon is not locked into one purpose. It can rise to strike from above, watch from afar, guard borders, or move in deep silence before a strike. It can shift roles with ease, from air to air to air to ground, or to shield others below. Each wing carries slots for arms, gear, or added fuel. Missiles ride close to its frame, ready for swift release. Rockets and guided bombs hang beneath, each one chosen based on the mission. Extra tanks may also be fixed to allow longer flight. One key feature is its radar, shaped to see far ahead, mark foes fast, and help guide weapons with sharp aim. The radar does more than scan, it locks, tracks, and helps assess what lies ahead. This gives the pilot a full map of the air and what moves within it. The Typhoon's shell is made with light, tough layers. These offer both speed and shield. Heat, cold, or stress do not break this outer skin. The strong body helps it take force without flaw, while the light frame aids sharp turns and rapid climbs. Its form also helps with low mark on enemy gear. While not shaped as a full stealth craft, it was made to leave less trace. The shape, tools, and coating all help it stay low on scan tools used by foes. Crew safety was also key. The seat rests at an angle that helps the pilot take high air force when climbing or diving. The seat can eject fast, should a crash seem near, giving the pilot a way out with speed and safety. From skies above snow-capped peaks to deserts, the Typhoon has flown and shown its might. It has served in peace patrols, border watch, and fierce clash zones. Its record proves it can hold its own, face foes, and return with honor. Those who fly it speak with pride. The craft reacts fast, obeys with grace, and offers a firm yet smooth ride. Pilots often feel they wear the craft, rather than steer it, due to its quick, sharp link between control and flight. Upgrades keep the Typhoon sharp. Gear is added, tools are swapped, and new tech flows in. From radar to new arms, each part is kept fresh. This means the fighter never grows old, even as skies shift and foes evolve. Fuel use is shaped for range and reach. The Typhoon can cross great spans, then return. Tanker craft may aid in far trips, yet the fighter holds its own in terms of time aloft and reach across vast lands. It trains with others, flies in shows, and joins allies in drills. Its goal: stay sharp, stay ready, and build trust with those who may stand side by side in future missions. The Typhoon has flown for a mix of lands, each one shaped its gear to match what it seeks. Some add arms for sea watch, others for close air help, and others for long scout trips. This shows how well the base craft adapts to each user's aim. Built in stages, the Typhoon grows with each wave. Early versions set the stage, while later ones gained added skill. These steps allow each user to shape their craft based on cost, use, and need. Back on the ground, those who serve the craft work with speed and care. Access hatches, clear guides, and support tools help crew keep it flight ready. It was made to serve, but also made for ease of upkeep. For foes who seek to break lines, this fighter brings sharp claws. In clashes, it can close fast, match turns, and fire with focus. It plays both guard and hunter with the same ease. No role is too vast or too sharp for this bird of prey. As the world shifts, the Typhoon remains key. It guards, it leads, and it learns. With each new sky it crosses, each new foe it meets, it proves that strength lies not just in speed or fire, but in the will to grow and serve. Its tale is far from done. With each day, its wings catch new winds, its radar sees new shapes, and its pilots rise to new calls. The sky may change, but this craft holds its edge, its pride, and its place above all. From factory to flight, from dream to deed, the Eurofighter Typhoon stands as proof of what shared will and vision can shape.